Your womb is very easy to receive a seed. It's not about you like to sleep with men every time. Maybe you have got 5 years or 3 years without sleeping with any man, but one day, maybe you have got a mistake one day and you got pregnant. So sometimes people are judging that this woman, why she likes to give birth too much kids, or her kids are maybe are in separate of 1 year or 2 years. Other women, guys, especially maybe your child is in 1 year or 6 months, you can get pregnant. Your womb is very easy to receive a seed of the man. It's not about maybe you like to sleep with men too much. No, even one day maybe you have got 2 years or 3 years without sleeping with a man, but one day, even with one round, you can get pregnant. So sometimes, guys, other people, their womb are very weak to receive a seed of a man. It's not about maybe they like to sleep with men too much. Other women, guys, maybe they can sleep with men every day, but without getting any pregnancy. So sometimes you can't judge people that she likes men to sleep with men every time. That's why she got pregnant. What? One mistake, one day, you can get pregnant even with one round, because your womb is very weak to receive a seed. So sometimes that's why people they say it's a mistake. Maybe that day, maybe you have got a function, what maybe you want, maybe you do a mistake, maybe you go out with one man, what you got pregnant, and it's a mistake because your womb is very weak to receive a seed.